Children, up to now we have discussed how to check our subtraction by using addition. So we can check our subtraction by using addition. That means we have to add the difference to the second number in the subtraction. If we get the first number, then our subtraction will be correct. So now go to the next part in this chapter. The next part in this chapter is addition and subtraction. That means both addition and subtraction are included in the same problem. So let us see an example. Solve 432 plus 3456 minus 2324. Children, if you observe this problem carefully, there are both additions and subtractions in this problem. So we have to do addition and subtraction one after another in this problem. So here plus means addition and minus means subtraction. So both addition and subtraction are included in this problem. So we have to do first addition, then next go to subtraction. So children, remember, if there are additions and subtractions in the same problem, first do addition. So first addition. So first do addition, next subtraction. So next subtraction. So first we have to do addition, next subtraction. First we have to do addition and we have to subtract. We have to subtract the third number from the sum. So children, so first we have to do addition. So how to do addition? So children, remember, first we have to write the places. So first we have to arrange these numbers one below the other. So what are the numbers we have to add? Here we have to add 432 and 3456. So we have to add the first number to the number which has the symbol plus before it. So observe the numbers which have the plus before it. Here the first number 432 and 3456 has plus before it. So we have to add these two numbers first. Then we have to do subtraction. So here plus is 3456 and the next number is 432. First write these two numbers one below the other and do the addition. So first write these two numbers one below the other. So before going to write these two numbers one below the other, so first write places. So what are the places here? So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So now before going to write the numbers one below the other, we have to write the places first and arrange the digits of the two numbers in their corresponding places. So write 432. So here 4 is in hundreds place. So write 432. So because here 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place. 432. So write 4 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place, 2 in ones place. So next write 3456. Here 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place. So write 3 in thousands place. So write 3 in thousands place because 3 is in thousands place. Next write 4 in hundreds place, write 5 in tens place, write 6 in ones place. Now add these two numbers. So children, in this way we have to write the two numbers one below the other and arrange the digits of the two numbers at their corresponding places. Here 4 is in hundreds place, that's why we have to write 4 in hundreds place, but not we should not write 4 in thousands place. So next do the addition. Here plus means addition. So first add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. So let us start addition from ones place. So what are the digits present in ones place? 2 and 6. What is the second number? 6. Open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 numbers. 6 fingers. What is the first number? 2. After 2 you will get 3. Start counting from 3. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Write 8 under one space. Now go to tens place. So what are the digits in tens place? 3 and 5. What is the second digit? 5. Open 5 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the first digit? 3. After 3 you will get 4. So start counting from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Write 8 under tens place. Now go to hundreds place. What are the digits present in hundreds place? 4 and 4 are in hundreds place. So what is the second digit? 4. Open 4 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the first digit? 4. So start counting after first digit. So after 4 we will get 5. So start counting from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Write 8 under hundreds place. So now go to thousands place. What are the digits present in thousands place? So only 3. That is only 3 is present in the second number. And there are no thousands in the first number. No thousands means 0. So there are 0 thousands in the first number and 3 thousands in the second number. So now add 0 to 3. According to properties of addition, if you add 0 to any number, we will get again same number. So we will get again 3. So children, so this is the sum of the first two numbers. So this is the answer. Now we have to do subtraction. So write the sum first and write the number which you have minus symbol below it. So now do the subtraction. So how can we do the subtraction? So write the sum first and write the number which has the symbol minus below the sum. So write the sum below first. The sum is 3888. So this is the sum. And write the number which has a minus symbol. Which has minus symbol here? 2324 has minus symbol. So write that number below the sum. So 2324. So now subtract these two numbers. So first we have added the two numbers. We get a sum. And now subtract the third number from the sum. So now do the subtraction here. So minus means subtraction. So start from one space. So what are the digits present in one space? 8 and 4. So now subtract 4 from 8. Here what is the first digit? 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 fingers. So children, what is the second number? 4. Close 4 fingers among these 8 fingers. So close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, I have closed 4 fingers. How many fingers are there remaining? Remaining there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are remaining 4 fingers. So write 4 under one space. Now go to tens place. 8 and 2 are present in one tens place. What is the first digit? 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So children, these are the 8 fingers. And what is the second number? 2. Close 2 fingers among these 8 fingers. So children, see, I am closing 2 fingers. 1, 2. So children, how many fingers are there remaining? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are remaining 6 fingers. So write 6 here. Now go to hundreds place. So 8 and 3 are present in one space. So what is the first number here? 8. Open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 fingers. Children, close 3 fingers among these 8 fingers. So close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. I have closed 3 fingers. How many fingers are there? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, there are 5 fingers remaining. So write 5 here. Next, go to thousands place. What are the digits present in thousands place? 3 and 2 are present in thousands place. So what is the first number here? 3. So open 3 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3. What is the second number? 2. So close 2 fingers among these 3 fingers. So I have closed 2 fingers. 1, 2. So children, how many fingers are there? There is remaining 1 finger. So write 1 finger. So the answer is 1564. So this is the final answer. So children, in this way, if the given problem has both addition and subtraction, first we have to do addition, next to do the subtraction. So first we have to add the number which has plus before it, and we have to subtract the number which has minus before it. So here 3456 has plus sign before it. So that's why we have to add the number. And the number 2324 has minus sign before it. So subtract the third number from the sum. So this is the way we have to do the problem if both addition and subtraction are given in the same problem. So let us practice some more problems in the exercise part. Up to now we have discussed how to solve the problems having both addition and subtraction. So how to solve the problems if there are both addition and subtraction. So now practice some problems on both addition and subtraction exercise part. So go to exercise 3.8. Solve these sums. There are two sums are given here. So see the first sum. So 5231 plus 3233 plus 2168. Sorry, this is minus. So here 5231 minus 3233 plus 2168. So if you observe this problem, there are both additions and subtraction. Here minus means subtraction and plus means addition. So among this minus and plus, that means among these subtraction and addition, what we have to do first? We have to do addition first, then go to subtraction next. So children, remember this point. Don't do the subtraction first. So first do the addition, then go to subtraction. So first we have to do addition. So what numbers we have to add? So we have to add the number to the first number which has a plus sign before it. Which number has a plus sign before it? So here, this number has a plus sign before it. So first add the first number and this third number. So first add the numbers which has plus sign before it. Here 5231 and 2168 as a plus sign before it. So write these two numbers one below the other and do the addition. So first write these two numbers, and we should not write this number because this number has minus before it. We have to subtract this number because 3233 has minus sign before it. That's why we do not add this number. We have to subtract this number. And this number 2168 has plus sign before it. So add this number. So write these numbers first, one below the other. That is, the first number is 5231 and the second one is 2168. So now do the addition. So children, do the addition. So here keep the symbol plus. Plus means addition. So also write the places. So that is, these are in ones place, these are in tens, these are in hundreds place, and these are in thousands place. So while writing the numbers one below the other, we should arrange the digits at their corresponding places. We should not change the places. So now do the addition. So start addition from ones place. So what are the digits present in ones place here? Here 1 and 5, 8 are present in ones place. So add 8 to the 1. So if we add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. What is the next number to 8? 9. So write 9 here. Next go to tens place. Add the digits present in tens place. What are the digits present in tens place? 3 and 6 are present in tens place. So what is the second digit here? 6. Open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 fingers. What is the first number? 3. After 3 we will get 4. So start counting from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. So write 9 under tens place. Now go to hundreds place. So what are the digits in hundreds place? 2 and 1 are present here. So add 1 to 2. If you add 1 to any number, according to properties of addition, if you add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. So what is the next number to 2? So the next number for 2 is 3. So write 3 here. So next go to thousands place. 5 and 2 are present in thousands place. What is the first number 5? What is the second number 2? So open 2 fingers of your hand. 1, 2. What is the first number 5? So after 5 we will get 6. So start counting from 6. 6, 7. So answer is 7. So write 7 here. So children, this is the sum of the two numbers. Now subtract this number from this sum. So write the sum first. 7,399 is the sum, and subtract the other number, that is the third number, from this sum. So what is the third number here? 3,233. We have to subtract this number because this number has minus before it. So write this number minus 3,233. So now do the subtraction. So minus means subtraction. So do the subtraction here. So start subtraction from ones place. What are the digits present in ones place? 9 and 3. So open 9 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, these are the 9 fingers. What is the second number? 3. So close 3 fingers among these 9 fingers. So close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Children, how many fingers are there? There are remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are remaining 6 fingers. So write 6. So again here also, so the first number is 9, second one is 3. So if we subtract 3 from 9, we will get again 6. So write 6 here. Now go to hundreds place. What are the digits in it? 3 and 2 are in hundreds place. So what is the first number? 3. Open 3 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3. So what is the second number here? 2. So close 2 fingers among these 3 fingers. So children, I am closing 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers are there remaining? There are remaining 1 finger. So write 1 here. So now go to thousands place. So 7 and 3 are present in thousands place. What is the first number? 7. So open 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7. These are the 7 fingers. And what is the second number? 3. Close 3 fingers among these 7 fingers. So close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Children, I have closed 3 fingers. How many fingers are there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. So children, so this is the final answer. 4,166. So this is the final answer. So in this way, if there are both addition and subtraction are there, first we have to addition. Next, subtraction. So see the next problem, second problem. So there are also 3 numbers are given. 533 plus 6,829 minus 323. So first we have to add the numbers which has a plus sign before it. So here which number has a plus sign before it? So 6,829 has a plus sign before it. So first add these 2 numbers. So add these 2 numbers. And 323 has a minus sign before it. So subtract 323 from the sum. So first add these 2 numbers first. So what are the numbers? 533. So 533. So write these 2 numbers one below the other. So first number is 533. So what is the second number? 6,829. So here 5 is in hundreds place and 6 is in thousands place. So here 5 is in hundreds place, that is 0, that is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here 6 is in thousands place. So write 6 under thousands place. So start this number here, 6,829. So this number has plus. So do the addition first. So do the addition first. So children, don't write 6 under hundreds place because 6 is in thousands place. So write 6 under thousands place. So while writing the numbers one below the other, we have to arrange the digits at their corresponding places. We should not change their places. So now do the addition. So let us start addition from ones place. So what are the digits in ones place? 3 and 9 are present in ones place. So what is the first number here? 3. What is the second number here? 9. So open 9 fingers of your hand. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, these are the 9 fingers. And what is the first number? 3. After 3 we will get 4. So start counting from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the sum is 12. So the sum is 12. So cancel 2, write 2 here and carry 1 to the next place. So carry this 1 to the ones place. If the sum has 2 digits, write the first digit in the net place and the second digit is carried to next place. So now there are 3 digits under tens place. 1, 3, 2. So first add these 2 digits and add the sum to the third digit. First add these 1 and 3. If we add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. If we add 1 to 3, we will get 4 because after 3 we will get 4. So the sum is 4. Now add 2 to this sum. So open 2 fingers of your hand, that is 1 and 2. So after 4, we will get 5. So start counting from 5. 5, 6. So the sum is 6. So now go to hundreds place. What are the digits in hundreds place? 5 and 8 are there. And take 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 fingers. What is the first number? 5. So after 5 we will get 6. So start counting from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum is 13. So write the first digit under hundreds place and carry the second digit to the thousands place. That is, the second digit is carried to next place. Here 2 digits are present under thousands place, that is 1 and 6. Now add 1 and 6. If we add 1 to 6, we will get its next number. What is its next number after 6? After 6 we will get 7. So write 7 here. So children, the sum is 7362. So now we have to do subtraction. So what number we have to subtract? Here 323 has to be subtracted because it has a minus sign before it. So that's why we have to subtract that number. So first write the sum 7362. And what is that number? 300. So minus 323. So children, so remember the 3 is in hundreds place. So write 3 under hundreds place. Don't write this 3 under thousands place. So while writing the numbers one below the other, the digits should be arranged at their corresponding places. So here 3 is in hundreds place. That's why write 3 in hundreds place only. Don't write this 3 under thousands place. So now do the subtraction. So let us start subtraction from ones place. So here, what are the digits present in ones place? 2 and 3. Subtract 3 from 2. Is it possible? No, because 2 is the smaller number, 3 is the greater number. So that's why here, subtraction is not possible. Then what we have to do? We have to get borrow from next place. What is its next place? Tens place. So how many tens are there here? So there are 6 tens are there. So get borrow 1 10 from it. So get borrow 1 10. If you get borrow 1 10, how many tens will be there? There will be 5 tens. And carry 1 10 to the ones place. If you carry 1 10 to the ones place, it will becomes 10 ones. So there are already 2 ones. So just write 1 here. How many 12s it become? So you have 12 ones it becomes. So now do the subtraction. So the first number is 12 and the second number is 3. So open 12 fingers of your hand, but we have only 10 fingers, so we cannot do this addition on our fingers. So just to draw 12 lines in your rough work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the 12 lines. What is the second number? 3. So strike off 3 lines among these 12 lines. 1, 2, 3. I have strike of 3 lines. Count the remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, there are remaining 9 lines. So write 9 here. So now go to tens place. What are the digits present in tens place? 5 and 2 are present in tens place. So what is the first number here? 5. And what is the second number? 2. So open 5 fingers of your hand. What is the first number? 5. So open 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the second number? 2. So close 2 fingers among these 5 fingers. That is 1, 2. I have closed 2 fingers. How many fingers are there remaining? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 fingers. So write 3 under tens place. So now go to hundreds place. What are the digits there? 3 and 3. So subtract 3 from 3. So if we subtract the number from the same number, we will get 0 as the answer. So according to properties of subtraction, so if we subtract the number from itself, the answer is 0. So 3 minus 0, the answer is 0. Now go to thousands place. So now there is only 7 is present in thousands place, but there are no thousands in the second number. That means there are 0 thousands in the second number. So now subtract 0 from 7. If you subtract 0 from any number, we will get again same number. According to properties of subtraction, if we subtract 0 from any number, again we will get same number, that is 7. So write 7 here. So children, so this is the final answer. 7039 is the answer. So in this way, we can solve this type of problems. So those problems we have both addition and subtraction. First we have to do addition. Next we have to do subtraction. So the number which has the symbol plus has to be added, and the number which has the symbol minus has to be subtracted. So first we have to do addition. So let us practice one more problem in this exercise. So let us take one more problem. So let us practice. So write the next problem here. So the next problem is, so children, the next problem in this is 8888 plus 1111 minus 3333. So children, observe this problem. Here also there is a plus and minus. That means there is addition and subtraction. Both addition and subtraction is there in this problem. So first we have to do addition. What numbers we have to do? What we have to add? So which numbers we have to add? The number which has plus symbol before it. So which number has a plus symbol? This 1111 has a plus symbol before it. So that's why we have to add these two numbers first. And this number 3333 has minus symbol before it. That's why we have to subtract this number and we should not add this number. So first write these two numbers one below the other at their corresponding places. So first write these two numbers 8888 and write the next number below it, that means plus 1111. So children, first add these two numbers. So first add these two numbers. So what will we get? So first start addition from ones place. So this is ones place and these are present in tens. These are present in hundreds place and these digits are present in thousands place. So now start addition from ones place. What are the digits present in ones place? 8 and 1. So add 1 to 8. If you add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. What is the next number to 8? 9. So write 9 here. So again in the same way, here also there are 1 and 8 are there. If you add 1 to 8, we will get the next number for 8. What is the next number for 8? 9. So write 9 here. So again here also there are 8 and 1 are there. So add 1 to the number 8. If you add 1 to the number 8, we will get next number to 8. What is the next number to 8? 9. So this next number is called successor. You have already discussed in the first chapter what is successor and what is predecessor. So if you add 1 to any number, we will get its next number. So what is the next number to 8? 9. So the sum is 9999. So now subtract this number from this sum. So what is the sum? 9999 is the sum. Now subtract other number. What is other number? 3333. Why we have to subtract this? Because it has a symbol minus before it. So it has a symbol minus before it. So that's why we have to subtract this number. So write this number below it, minus 3333. So children, so first we have to do addition. We will get the answer, that is the sum. Now subtract the third number from this sum. So write the sum first and write the next number below it. Now do the subtraction here. So first to do the subtraction from the ones place. Now there are 9 and 3 are present in ones place. So what is the first number here? 9. So open 9 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 fingers. What is the second number here? 3. So if you close 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. Children, I have closed 3 fingers. How many fingers are there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 fingers remaining. So write 6 here. In this way again, we will get also same answer. So if we subtract 3 from 9, we will get again 6. Again if we subtract 3 from 9, again we will get 6. So in the same way, if you subtract 3 from 9, we will get 6. So children, this is the answer, final answer. So if the problem is given which has both addition and subtraction, first we have to do addition. The number which has a plus sign has to be added. And the number which has to be minus, so this number has to be subtracted. And this number plus, that's why we have to add this number. So now finally we get the answer. So children, there are some more problems in this exercise. Practice the remaining problems at your home these problems and remaining problems are given in your PDF.